Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about what in the world is going on with the Dollar General coupons lately. Plus, we do have some good news, so stick around because we do have a 2-day Labor Day sale going on right now, and we do have a couple of really good coupon matchups. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button for me and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 free, easy, and super quick ways that you can help support this channel. And plus, I just absolutely am loving seeing those smiles in the comment section. I mean, it absolutely makes my day. And then if you have an extra second, go ahead and share the video. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump right in. All right, guys, now first up, let's go ahead and talk about yesterday, which was Saturday, and the 5 off $25 coupon. Now, somewhere along the line, Dollar General made a huge mistake and a mix-up because last Sunday, we all had the 5 off 25 on our accounts. We all clipped it. We were ready to go for Saturday, had some amazing deals lined up, and what do you know? We wake up Saturday morning, and that 5 off $25 coupon is gone. I believe it was around lunchtime that they finally put it back on our accounts, but even after that, people were still having issues with the 5 off 25 not working. So yesterday, I tried to keep you all as updated as I could in the community tab. Now, sometimes when things like this happen, it's just easier to make a post and put it in the community tab versus making a full video and then having to update that video. So if there's ever anything crazy going on, always check the community tab. And if you guys notice something, always send me an email, reach out to me on Instagram. All of those things are really helpful because sharing information is how we figure out what is going on and if this is a widespread issue. Now, with that being said, yesterday, some people had a lot of issues with the 5 off 25 not working, or the 5 off 30 again not working, or even coupons disappearing from their accounts. Now, on the other hand of that, I did hear from people that were having a great day. Their hauls were turning out perfectly, transactions were going through as planned, and no issues whatsoever. So, Dollar General was kind of all over the place yesterday, and if you, unfortunately, were one of those people who had some issues, I would recommend that y'all call customer service, send them an email, do not let up and make them fix these problems because it's not going to get better if we just let it go, and just move on. Go ahead and send them an email. Hopefully they will reimburse you with a gift card for the coupons that did not work and the transactions that did not go as planned. So I'm going to be putting the Dollar General customer service number as well as the link to where you guys can email them in the pinned comment down below. All right, now next up, let's take a look at our insert schedule. Today is September the 4th, and since it is Labor Day weekend, we should not be receiving any new inserts in our Sunday newspapers. Now, as for our digital coupons, this morning I got up at 4 o'clock, usually when Dollar General uploads their coupons, and unfortunately there wasn't any new coupons there. However, right now it is about 7:30 and those coupons just popped up on my account, so I will have the new coupons video up a little bit later on today, but I wanted to go ahead and get this information out to you all ASAP. All right, now if y'all haven't already, go ahead and leave me that smile down in the comment section below because we are about to get into some really good news with a 2-day sale. This is the Labor Day weekend, so Dollar General is running a sale today, which is Sunday, and tomorrow on Monday. So if everybody's left me that smile down in the comment section, let's go ahead and get into these deals. All right, now taking a look at the 2-day sale, we have some Clover Valley cereals. Those are on sale, 2 for $3. Not a bad deal there. We have some Ritz crackers. Those are on sale, 2 for $5.50. We also have an instant savings on the True Living mops and brooms. So you're going to instantly save $1 at the register. And then here is a really good deal. We have the All liquid laundry detergent and the Snuggle scent beads. Those are on sale for $4. Now, with this sale, we do have some insert coupons that will go right along with it, and these coupons are found in the 8/21 save insert, all right? So, for the All liquid laundry detergent, we have that $1.50 off one insert coupon. Use that, and you're going to pay $2.50. All right, next up, we also have a $1.50 off one insert coupon in that same 8/21 save insert for the Snuggle products. So you can pick up one of the Snuggle scent beads at $4. Use that coupon. That's going to leave you paying $2.50. And last but not least, here is the best coupon that we have that will match up with this sale. We have a 2-off-1 insert coupon for the Snuggle scent beads. So pick up one of those scent beads, use that insert coupon, and that's going to be paying just $2. Now, keep in mind that these insert coupons do expire today on September the 4th. So if you want to use those coupons with this sale, make sure that you get to DG today. All right, next up, we also have a sale on the box fans. Those are going to be $15. We have an instant savings of $1 on some storage totes. And then we have an instant savings of $5 on the 6-foot-long folding tables. Those are normally $45, so that's going to be paying $40 with this sale. All right, next up, we have the Sunkist and RC Cola 2 liters. Those are on sale for 95 cents each when you purchase 3. We also have the Pepsi and Mountain Dew 6-packs. Those are on sale for $11. We also have the Clover Valley bottled waters. Those are on sale too for $7, which is a pretty good deal. And then we have the True Living foam plates. Those are $4, and we should have a 50-cent off one digital coupon, making those $3.50. All right, next up, we have the Sparkle paper towels for double rolls. Those are priced at $5, and we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon, so that's going to be paying $4. Then we also have a sale, buy one, get one free on the Studio Selection sun care products. So that might be a really good deal as well. Then we also have the Kingsford Charcoal 12-pound bags. These are normally $14.95, but they're on sale right now for just $10, and we have a 150 off one digital coupon, so that's going to be paying $8.50. All right, now I just want to go ahead and double check that everybody's already left me their smiles down in the comment section below, because I know you guys are loving this just as much as I am. I know it's brightening up y'all's day as well as mine, and it's reminding us all to just smile, all right? So leave me those smiles down in the comments. Now, with all those smiles down in the comment section below, I do want to say thank you all so very much for supporting this channel, and take a look at what happened this week. We hit 29,000 crazy couponers. So thank you all so very much. And I also want to say welcome to all of our new crazy couponers out there. Make sure that you leave me a comment. Let me know that you are new here so that I can welcome you in properly and say hello. Now, don't forget that I did promise you guys a gift card giveaway once we hit 30,000 crazy couponers. So if you want that gift card giveaway here soon, make sure that you all continue to hit the thumbs up button, leave me those smiles in the comment section down below, and take a second to share the video, because all of those things really do. It tells YouTube that, hey, these videos are worth watching, and I want YouTube to share it out even more and get more couponers on board and in our crazy couponing community here. All right, now I won't keep y'all much longer because I have to run right now and start working on that new coupons and glitches video. Fingers crossed we have some really good glitches to go right along with those new coupons for this week. Now, before y'all go, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. Also, make sure that your notifications are turned on, because I will be uploading a second video today. And sometimes YouTube is a little bit weird when you try to upload more than one video in one day. So make sure that your notifications are turned on. Also, hit that thumbs up button for me. Leave me your smiles down in the comment section below, and then take a second and share the video. All right, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to y'all in just a little bit.